Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use less internet data on mobile. First, get familiar with your phone's data usage settings to see which applications consume the most. Then, activate your device's built-in data saver mode, which can significantly reduce consumption by up to 50%. Also, make sure to restrict background data for applications you don't actively use, preventing them from refreshing and downloading content when you're not looking. These initial steps are crucial for immediate savings and better control. Many applications automatically download media, like photos and videos in messaging apps. Adjust these settings to manual downloads only. For content you want to enjoy later, such as podcasts or videos, always download them when connected to Wi-Fi. Furthermore, consider using light versions of popular applications, which are specifically designed to consume less data and storage, offering a more efficient experience on your mobile device. When browsing the web, enable data compression features in your browser, which can reduce the amount of data loaded by up to 60%. For streaming videos, always choose a lower resolution setting, like 480 pixels, instead of high definition, especially when on mobile data. Additionally, disable auto-playing videos on websites and social media platforms, as these can quickly deplete your data allowance without you even watching them. Take advantage of your phone's ability to set specific data usage limits and warnings. You can configure it to alert you when you've used, for example, 80% of your monthly allowance, or even automatically disable mobile data once a certain threshold is reached. Regularly review which applications are using the most data in your settings. Finally, ensure all application updates are set to occur only when connected to Wi-Fi, preventing large downloads on your mobile plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.